I've tried to vlog like 6 or 7 times. I'm not very good at it. Every time I take out my camera I'm like, oh my god, that's so fucking cringe. So I'm trying to make it look like I'm on a phone call. Tried to vlog the last wrestling show I went to. Cut in some video here. Alrighty, just finished in work. TH boys on tour, 2 Deens. Heading out to a Fight Factory show. Should be good. Trying out the whole vlog thing, so if this is cringe, excuse me. Try my best. Might not go anywhere. We'll see. Wrestling fans are mad. I tried to vlog. I went to London to see Carly Rae Jepsen and tried to vlog that. Oh, don't. While we were waiting for our flight in Luton Airport, some guy in Burger King shorted all the lights, so all the electricity went off. I need a chicken wrap.
Uh-oh, the light's off.
Lights on. So here's attempt number 3. Myself and the other Deen are gonna go to a Fight Factory show. Tonight's Grapple games. I'm gonna grab a few bits, I'm just in town now. One of the matches tonight is a fans bring the weapons match. So thinking I might head into Toy Master, grab a few weapons, something that'll be funny. And yeah, I'll check in after. So I decided on a sword and a phase clan shooter nerf thing. I don't know. I'll have to open them and fucking fill it with the bullets, but could be funny. I don't know. The sad thing is I don't want to record portrait mode because it's shitter to edit. But it's easier to pretend I'm on a FaceTime call, so you know, maybe lesser of 2 evils. I'm hoping to push about for 10 minutes, go over that half time. Fingers crossed. just chill until Deen arrives.
It was at this point that I went into Burger King for a quick munch. While I was there, I took out the toys that I had bought, the children's toys that I had bought, and found that I was very confused as to how the gun worked. I had to scour the instruction manual to find out that there was a safety that I didn't know, and I had to release that. It baffled me to no end, so I went and did what I always do when I get annoyed. After the piss, I went and met up with Deen. As I am new to the vlog game, I considered it too cringe to ask him, "Hey, do you want to talk to my phone for a little bit for the THitup universe?" So we just went to the wrestling show. Maybe I'll be more brave next time. As Fabio retains his Irish Junior Heavyweight Championship at Grapple Games, our vlog comes to a close. I hope you enjoyed. If I made you laugh at least once, you owe me an admission of that fact in the comments. And do let me know, like, was it watchable? I don't know. This is my first time editing this type of thing and recording this type of thing. So if it's enjoyable, I can make more. I don't really know how to sign off one of these, so I guess we'll just trail off aimlessly